A camshaft sensor on a 2000 Pontiac Grand Prix 3.1 liter. First thing you want to do is get your belt loosened. There's your tension pulley right there. Normally on these newer vehicles you can take your ratchet and put your ratchet right at the end of that tension pulley. There's a little square spot for it, and as you can see right there, and pull up to relieve the tension on the belt, and then just slide it off of your power steering pump. I already got most of it done. There's my power steering pump right there. And then next thing you want to do is there's 3 bolts right here. I believe they're 13 millimeter. You loosen those 3 bolts. You got to turn the pulley on the power steering pump to loosen those 3 bolts with that 13 millimeter. And then back here there's a 5/8 inch ratchet or wrench that you put on this little bolt to loosen that hose up right there. Then you want to take this hose off, little rubber hose, little metal clamp on it, and that's going to get your hoses off your power steering pump unhooked to where you can remove it easily. And then I took this off, the antifreeze coolant overflow tank. I took that off to have more room to get to it. And then you should be able to access your crankshaft sensor or your camshaft sensor right here. It's directly up under your power steering pump, and what you want to do is kind of tug on it a little bit to get that out. It's okay if you break the wires on your old one because you're replacing it anyway. And your plug for your camshaft or your crankshaft is right here, or your camshaft, I'm right. And just unplug it like so. Pull it off of the clamp right there. It's giving me problems. Kind of hard to work with one hand and record at the same time, but we're gonna get it right here. But that's your camshaft sensor. This one looks a little old and wore out, so I'm replacing it with my new one, which is up on my front porch. I hope you got that explanation a little bit. I mean, it's my first time doing the whole YouTube videos on how to, but once again, this is a 2000 Pontiac Grand Prix. I hope I made it a little bit easier for you. Good luck.